Hi, so today we're going to talk about how to scan documents to PDF using the Windows Fax and Scan. So I am using Windows 10, and so I'm going to tell you how to get to everything, how to scan everything using Windows 10. So one way to get to the Windows Fax and Scan is to click where it says Ask Me Anything and type in Scan, and you'll see Windows Fax and Scan. Another way to get to it is to click the Windows box right here, click on All Apps, go all the way down to the W's, all the way, even some more, it's a coming, all the way to the W's, where you see Windows Accessories. You'll click that little arrow, go down a little more, and you'll see Windows Fax and Scan. I prefer to use the Ask Me Anything to get to it because you can get there a lot faster. So when you click on Windows Fax and Scan, this is what you'll see. Beautiful flowers. When you're ready to do a new scan, you'll click New Scan, and this pop-up box comes up. So right here where it says Scanner, it's got default scanner name. You'll need to make sure that the correct scanner is connected. If you need to change that, you click on Change. If you have multiple devices, multiple will come up. If you have a neat scanner connected to your computer, that would show up here. Most printers now have have the scanner and the printer connected. So you could it'll be like a flatbed scanner, but it would show up here. So just make sure that the right one is clicked, and you'll click OK. I'm going to scan a document, so depending on whether you're going to do a photo or a document, you may want to change this. If you're using a document, you click on Document. Now I'm going to use the feeder, but if you have a flatbed scanner and you do not have a feeder, you'll make sure that you change that to flatbed, whichever one you're using. Now the paper size by default is going to be whatever your normal paper size is. By default, when you click on Documents, it goes to grayscale and it goes to a TIF file, which is totally fine because eventually we're going to change this to a PDF. So I am going to put my document in the feeder. And I'm going to scan. It is scanning, let's see. And there it is. So here's my document that's just scanned in. Yeah, I'm a QuickBooks Pro Advisor, so I've got like lots of QuickBooks Pro Advisor papers. I had to put that little plug in there. But anyway, now that it's there, here it is right here. It says Image 3. And I would like the whole purpose of this is to make it a PDF. So what I am going to do is I am going to go to File, Print, and right where it says the printer, you should have an option for Microsoft Print to PDF, and that's what we're going to click. Make sure that it's the full page photo, and then we're going to click Print. And now it allows me to put it wherever I want it to go. I can name it whatever I want it to name it, and it's going to save it as a PDF. So if you have Box Sync, if you watched my last video, you saw how you can set up Box Sync. If you have Box Sync, you can go ahead and put it right in your Box Sync account. If you have Google Drive, you can go ahead and put it in your Google Drive account. Or if you'd rather just put it to iCloud or your regular documents, you can put it wherever exactly you like for it to go. Make sure you give it a name and click Save. And there you go. Whatever it is that you needed to scan to PDF, that's how you scan it using Windows Fax and Scan. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video.